Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to type bold text on Facebook. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook application, and then I'm going to click on what's on your mind option at the top of your screen. Then I'm going to type something, for example, hello everyone. And then if you want to bold this text, all you need to do is to double click on your text and then select all your message. Then you need to click on the copy button, here it is. After that you need to go to your browser, and then in the search bar you need to type yaytext.com. After that you will see this website. All you need to do is to click on your text box, here it is, and then click again. Then you will see these three options. You need to click on the first one option, then you will see your text, and then under this text there is bold text. So actually on the right side you need to click on the second option, copy. Then go back to your Facebook application, then you need to delete this message, then click on what's on your mind, and then click on the first one option again. After that, as you can see, now you have bold text. So after that you can click on the next button and then post button if you want. So and that's all, and that's how to type bold text on Facebook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.